I'm on one. Perfect. Thank y'all for tuning in to Fisherman Josh. I am Fisherman Josh. Today, I'm out here at the farm pond. I'm out here with my boy Troy. Chad down there on the other end. We about to get on some slabs. Keep y'all posted. Troy on one. Let's see what he got. All right, nice bass. Start the day. Hell yeah. Woo. He said he's dropping the 20 bomb today. All right, boys. I gotta get me one. I'm fishing this NLBN paddle tail with a 3.75 inch on one of their jig heads. Hopefully something hits it. I'm just reeling it in real slow. Nothing on that go around. If something hits it, I'll tune y'all in. Chad's on one. Whoo, he a jumper too. Nice fish. Let's see him. Whoo, that is a nice fish.
Nice fish.
Let's go. Good catch.
Oh, yeah, appreciate it.
Hell yeah. Rooster tail?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Looks like they want small lures today.
Close to it.
Oh yeah, that's every bit of 2 pounds, if not more. I would weigh him.
We can.
He might be 3.
I think it may be 2, maybe shy.
2.5. I say 2.5. Let's see. That is a nice fish. Let's see.
2.5. 2.5.
2.5.
Jesus.
I stare at fish too much. I said 2.5. That is a nice fish.
2.5.2.
2.5.2. Yeah, they hit that water and they are out.
Oh, yeah.
Now I gotta get on one. Now it's my turn. Let's see if I can pull one out with this good old NLBN little paddle tail. Hopefully something hits it. They starting to get active, I guess. It's a gloomy morning. It's cloudy. It's nice and cool out here. Finally got a break in the heat. I actually had to put on a hoodie this morning. It's been like 1,000 degrees every day, and then it dropped down to the 70s. So that's a big shift in the weather. We're hoping that today's a good bite, since it's not as hot as it was previous days. But if I hook into something, I tune y'all back in. Finally broke the ice. Super nice brim. Whew. I've been working for this guy. He is a slab of a fish. Let's get him back. Mad I didn't get it on film, but I did catch a big brim. He's huge. Jeez. Wow. Don't know what I got, but he's covered in grass. Oof. Is he foul hooked? I think he is. Gosh, look at this mat. Yeah, but I think he's foul hooked. Gosh. This is what y'all don't see all the time when we fish out here. The grass. Oh, he's a dinker. He's a little guy. He felt like he was 10 pounds. Little bitty fish. Itty bitty. Poor little guy. I got him under his gill plate, so hopefully I can get him off easy without hurting my poor friend. Just to flip him off, he gone. All right. Looks like the TRD is producing me fish. It has been a grind today. Hopefully I can get on something else. We shall see. Caught one massive bluegill and a baby bass. Let's see what we can pull in next. The weather has been not the greatest. It's a light drizzle. It's like 70 degrees. So it was a big shift in the weather over the past 24 hours. I don't know how much that affects the barometric pressure, but when the pressure changes, it can either work in your favor or work against you. But it's been working against me today because I have not caught much. It has been a struggle. I've just been catching grass patch after grass patch after grass patch. Troy and Chad, they've caught a few fish, but this is Fisherman Josh, not Fisherman Chad and Fisherman Troy. So all their fish are not on camera, but we are the Bass Boys. Yeah, man, it's been a rough morning for me. I've just been tying knots, getting out wind knots, and switching lures, and not having the greatest of luck. Right now, I'm using this Ned Rig on a Z-Man TRD, the full-size one. So I've seemed to catch a few fish on it, so we're gonna keep it going. If I hook into something else, I'll keep y'all posted. Troy done hooked up on a nice little bass. What color worm you using?
Blue color.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go. Nice fish.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. All right. Hopefully I get on next. Come on, one. Let's go. Feels like a nice one. Might be a ton of grass on him. Yep, ton of grass on him, but he fighting though. He does not want to be hooked. I wouldn't want to be hooked. Hey, I'll take him. I will take him. Nice fish. Look at that. Nice one. If I can get all this grass off. Let me just take the hook out of him. But yeah, look at that. Nice fish. He smoked it too. Let me find out what his hook is in him. It's at the bottom of him. There we go. Nice fish. I've been working for this joker. I'll take him. Whoo! Let him go. This is what's been holding us back today. The grass patches. These things are huge. Whew. Feel like you got 2 fish on one line. I hit him on the Z-Man. Caught him on the TRD, full-size TRD. That's what's been working today. Only thing I've been catching fish on. Everything else, they want no parts of it. Let me just split this. Ugh. All this grass and mud. Get all this out of here. All right. Get my line cleared off. My hands are all gross out now. Wipe them on my pants and keep it moving. All right, let's see if we can get another one. Chad's on. I think he got a nice one. Let's see. He fighting him. Woo! Nice little jump. Nice bass. Let's go. Heck yeah.
Warm. Like,
yeah.
feel heat off of it.
Yep. Because that water's been like 1,000 degrees for like weeks now. Nice fish. Nice fish. Who's counting? Oh man. Yeah. I like it when it hooks him in the corner of the mouth. Perfect hook set. Got one. Woo! Let's go. Little guy. Little guy. All this. Ugh. Ugh. Hey. There we go. Nice little fish. Let's let him go and let him grow. Get this hook out of him. There we go. He out of here. Well, the rain ran us out. It's a nasty day out here. We're gonna call it. Appreciate y'all tuning in to Fisherman Josh. See y'all in the next one.